guys, so I'm not even gonna have an intro for this video, but first I'm just starting off by brushing up my edges very horribly, so forgive me for that. And I didn't even use Got To Be this time. I think I just used like Cream of Nature or something. And then for this hairstyle, I was going for a birthday cute nasty 19 look, so I'm just gonna put my hair up in 2 pigtails, but half up half down style, and then leave 2 pieces out in the front. Now I'm just tying down my edges with my bandana, and then after that I'm gonna go in and start my eyebrows. So I'm just brushing them up, and then I'm gonna line them with Ebony and Anastasia Brow, and then after that I'm gonna fill it in with the pomade. Now that I'm done lining them, I'm just gonna fluff them up with a brush, and then after that I'm gonna go in with some concealer and just make sure that everything is lined up properly. So for this look, I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to use really bright colors, but I want them to show up or be pigmented on my eyelids. So I'm going to go in with this concealer that's way lighter than my skin tone, just to make sure that the colors actually show up. Now I'm going in with this deep pink all over my lid, and then after that I'm going to go in with this purple, and I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye, and it's like a darker purple. And then after that you're going to see me go in with more concealer, and then I'm gonna add a light pink on top of that. And I tried to do a sort of cut crease, but my eyelids were not messing with me, so just bear with me to see me try. Now that everything is blended together, I'm going to go in with purple from the James Charles palette and my Mario Badescu spray mixed together with a tiny brush, and I'm going to create a cat eye sort of effect with the purple. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take the tape off of my eyes, and now I can go ahead and do the color correcting with this product from Black Radiance. And I just do this before I do anything else on my face. Now I'm going to blend that out, and then after that I'm going to apply my foundation and go ahead and contour and all the rest of the stuff that you normally see in my other videos. So I'm just going to let the concealer sit on my face for a little bit and go ahead and apply my mascara. Now I'm just contouring and applying powder, basically the same things that I do in my other videos. So you're just gonna do the 3 and go like all the way around your face, and then the same with the powder, you're just gonna put it in all the places that you put your concealer basically. And then while all of this is sitting on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. I've already put glue on them and they've just been sitting out getting tacky. I feel like this next part is really crucial to the makeup look, so I'm just gonna apply a bright pink and purple, the same colors I used on my lid, to my waterline, and then after that I'm gonna go in with a light highlight on my tear duct. So for blending things out, I usually like to use 3 different methods. So I use the same brush that I applied the powder with, and then I use the brush that I contoured with, and then I go in with a beauty blender, but I've dusted off both of the brushes beforehand, and I just do this to get to make sure that I'm getting all of the creases and whatnot out of my face. Now that everything is pretty much blended in, I'm gonna go ahead and start contouring my nose. So I do the same thing. I just go underneath, like the tip of it, and then I go on the sides, and then I do a line across. And I think that does something for me, but the key is just to make sure that you don't put way too much product on your brush. Now I'm just applying my blush from the BH Cosmetics palette, and this blush is low-key pretty good. Like, I like applying blush now, even though originally I was like, no blush for me. And now I'm gonna apply highlight on my nose, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my cheekbones too. Once my highlight is blended out, I'm just gonna go ahead and start on my lips. So I leave them crusty, y'all forgive me. All I have was Carmax and I didn't want to get it like glossy. And I'm just gonna line my lips with this like purplish color from NYX, one of their liner pencils, and then I'm gonna line my lips. And low-key I should have left it at this step and just like applied lip gloss to leave it like, I don't know, looking kind of like a 90s-ish lip. But I go ahead and add in like this light pinkish lipstick, and that's gonna give me like a purple effect. But yeah, low-key I should have left it like this. You can never go wrong with applying mascara to your bottom lash line, so that's what I'm doing right here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.